everyone, Anshika this side, and today I have uploaded this video because this is the need, yes, to aware you what fashion is all about and what are the myths of fashion due to which the youngsters are dropping out from this field. Yes. But before that, hold on, just subscribe to my channel if you're new and do watch my previous videos. Hit the bell icon so that for my any new video you will get notified for the same. आज की वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे कि फैशन क्या है, क्या इसके करियर ऑप्शंस है एंड इसका मिथ क्या है, मतलब क्यों हम फैशन को लेके इतने ओवर पजेसिव हो जाते हैं कि अरे ये अच्छी फील्ड नहीं है, ये तो कुछ डिफरेंट है, हमारे बस की काम नहीं है। बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कि बहुत जल्दी they want to pursue fashion but their families deny for the same. क्यों हो रहा है आज की तारीख में ऐसा? We are living in 20s and this is happening, so this is really not okay. You guys need to understand what fashion is. Don't overthink about it. ये एक term है fashion जो कि हम बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं. We are hearing this term from our childhood and still we are not getting what it is all about. Because fashion means a wrong thing. हम सुनेंगे fashion, we will be like fashion means wearing short clothes, just putting a lot of makeup and such on. And that is why your families don't accept this. They don't want you to pursue the same because somewhere you guys don't know what it is all about. You are not aware of this field. So this need to be stopped. This really need to be stopped. Have you ever thought of why is this happening? क्यों fashion doesn't has that importance in your life? हमारी 3 चीजें मेन है जो कि अभी तक हमारे बड़े बोलते आए हैं, like रोटी, कपड़ा and मकान. Where the कपड़ा lies in the second position. पहला रोटी जो कि है food, then कपड़ा that is clothing which comes under fashion again. Then the third is shelter, that means छत, हमारे सर पे छत होनी चाहिए. So जब मार्केट में कोई भी न्यू फूड आता है, डू यू रेजिस्ट योरसेल्फ कि नहीं ये नया है तो हम नहीं लेंगे? क्या आप में से किसी ने कभी ये मना किया है कि भाई वी आर ट्रेडिशनल पीपल, ये कुछ न्यू आया है, मैं इसे नहीं खाऊंगी, मैं इसे नहीं खाऊंगा? Even your families don't deny for the same, right? So why we do the same for fashion? अगर कुछ नया मार्केट में आया है, we used to deny that without using it कि नहीं, we will not wear such garment because it's new. If it's new, then it's fashion and fashion means wrong. No, my friend, this doesn't work like that. सबसे पहली चीज to know is it's for everyone, whether it's a kid of 3 or 4 age to whether old people of 70s, 80s, 90s, and so on. Fashion has no limit. So for this, let me just share an example. When the plazos were introduced first, like plazo, now we can see every second woman in the market wearing plazos. But when it was firstly introduced in market, women were like, we will not wear this. We are comfortable in our salwars and in the leggings, those tight fitted leggings. But why plazo came into market? Because somewhere it was getting difficult for women to carry those tight fitted pajamas or leggings in the hot summer days. Now, today, in the present time, we can see every second, even in fact, not second, every woman, each woman is wearing plazo because they are comfortable. So क्या वो बेकार हो गए? नहीं ना. They're liking it, they're accepting it, they are wearing it. Why? Because they are comfortable. सब प्लाजो पहनती हैं. But there was also a time जब वो restricted थे. So what I mean to say is it's not about short things, wearing short clothes. Fashion is about your comfort, introducing what is the need of market. पहले की जो औरतें थी वो पहले घर में रहती थी, घर के काम किया करती थी. आज के टाइम में there are working women in the market. There are a lot of working women. The ratio has quite increased nowadays. And from there, the need of comfort clothing has arisen. इसलिए उन लोगों के लिए वो महिलाएं जो कि बाहर भी काम करती हैं, जो कि फिर हाउस होल्ड वर्क भी संभालती हैं, उन लोगों के लिए ऐसे गारमेंट्स बनाए गए. तो क्या ये गलत है? तो फैशन इज ऑल अबाउट providing comfort to all of us. I hope आपका पहला myth complete हो चुका होगा, finish हो चुका होगा. ये सबके लिए है, ये हमारी जरूरत है. It's not a choice or our interest thing, but it's just a need. It has become a need of today's world. So don't just stop looking it in other light. Then myth come that is it's only for women or only for girls. Boys cannot opt for this career. So it's totally wrong. कपड़े हम सब पहनते हैं. सबको नीड है इक्वली टू वेयर द क्लोथ्स. विंटर वेयर है तो ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि समर वेयर है वो वुमेन के लिए आता है, विंटर वेयर इज फॉर द मेल्स ओनली. इसमें कोई भी डिफरेंस नहीं है. वी ऑल आर सेम, वी ऑल नीड गारमेंट्स, वी ऑल looking for some innovations, we all want something new to come in market. So why is it that कि males नहीं करेंगे, females करेंगी? Fashion is an art and you should trust and you should embrace it as an artist. And yeah, don't limit your thoughts on gender, like it's for girls or it's for males. There's nothing like that. It's a normal study like engineering. Then comes the third myth. It is all about stitching. No, I'm a fashion professional. I'm a design faculty at a well-known fashion college and I'm not good at stitching. So जब आप नर्सरी में थे आपने क्या डायरेक्ट सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग सीखा है? नहीं. You have started from A, B, C, D, from alphabets. Then you came on to word and then sentence framing. Stitching is just a part of fashion design or whatever fashion career. So that no tailor or any person can fool you on this when you are having your own startup. So it's just for your intelligence. There are a lot of career options. Don't limit yourself that it's all about stitching. No, it has a lot and lot to study about. It's 2021 right now, and a fashion person knows what is about to come in the next year, what trends, what colors, what silhouette, what garment, whatever. So it's not a stitching thing, it's a really more about something about fashion. It's a vast concept. It's up to you how much you catch, how much you grasp. It's all your power to attain something. And yeah, it's a very creative and hard-working field. You need to work hard. You need to have a creative mind. This is all about mind exercise. The myth about the fashion is wearing short clothes. So it's not about wearing short clothes at all. I'm a fashion professional and I'm wearing full garments here. Fashion means what to wear, when to wear, and how to wear. क्या पहनना है, कब पहनना है, कैसे पहनना है. Okay, for an example, if you have to wear a sari, or I can say a formal event, there's a formal event and you need to carry a sari. तो आप साड़ी को कैसे कैरी करोगे? आप बहुत अच्छे से रैप अराउंड करोगे ऑन योर बॉडी सो दैट इट कुड लुक फॉर्मल. आप एक ब्लाउज अगर आप कैरी करोगे साथ में तो उसे कॉलर बहुत प्रॉपर बनाओगे, You could probably have a collar on it, or you could have a full sleeve or quarter sleeve blouse with a proper decently wrapped साड़ी. आप बहुत अच्छे से साड़ी को रैप करोगे. बट सेम साड़ी अगर आप बैचलर्स पार्टी में पहनोगे तो क्या आप इसी तरह से कैरी करोगे? नो. You would probably wear a sleeveless or a backless blouse with that. So this is the difference. Wearing the same thing differently on different occasions. This is all about senses. If you're a fashionable person, तो आपको पता होगा कब और कैसे क्या पहनना है, किस तरह से पहनना है. पर अगर आप फैशनेबल पर्सन नहीं हो तो आप में सेंस नहीं होगा कि आपको क्या पहन के जाना है. अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो आप एक ऑफिस मीटिंग में प्रिंटेड टी शर्ट विद डेनिम भी पहन सकते हो. So it's all about intelligence. I think you guys have got what I wanted to clear about fashion is. So this is the thing you need to know. It's not just a course or about illustrations only, about stitching only. It's a very deep course. You need to understand deeply. You need to understand the term fashion. And yeah, it's not only about garments also. It's about everything. What hairstyle should be there, what makeup should be there, what kind of footwear you should carry with this thing, how to style overall your costume. It's a lot more about fashion. It's not only about garments. Don't limit your thoughts, just go beyond this, and yeah, understand the term, and don't skip out. If you want to pursue the course, if you want to pursue your career in the same, don't just go for the thoughts of outsider कि ये तो ये है, इसमें कुछ नहीं है, or something like that. So in my next video, I will upload the career options that you can opt for your fashion design or whatever fashion career you want to opt. So इसमें options क्या क्या available हैं इस field में, कैसे कैसे आप grow कर सकते हो. I'll upload the video on same. So stay tuned till then, and if you haven't subscribed, then subscribe, and namaste.